What's up, guys? I just want to make a video about something I found that was kind of cool today about so apparently there is a program for people who have really powerful graphics cards and really powerful computers, for example Bitcoin miners, to be able to use that power, the computing power, to help find a cure for the coronavirus. So I've never heard of this before. I've heard of this kind of idea for NASA scientists, but apparently there's a program called Folding at Home with a little at sign. I don't know why it's called that, but it's something that I guess has been around for a little while, and it's basically to help people with excess or dormant, I guess, idle computing power, to be able to help to give that to scientists who are studying, researching for a cure for certain diseases, and that includes the coronavirus. So if you'd be interested, I'm going to put the link to the article that I found in the description of the video, and you can go ahead and download that program. I'm going to try it out myself, and I'll make a video about that too, just because I think it'd be kind of cool to be able to contribute to that. So anyway, yeah, kind of a crazy world we're living in right now, but I guess we got to put up with it for a little while. So anyway, make sure you hit a like for the video and hit the subscribe button too, because in the next few days we'll be finishing up the house. We need to get that listed within the next 2 weeks or so, hopefully before the market crashes too much. I don't know. I don't think it's going to really crash that hard, but we'll see. It's all up in the air, and it's just better to be prepared. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.